This is a smart factory Foresight has brought online. Driverless AGVs, one central control system, and a planned annual capacity of 500,000 units. Automation alone doesn't make a factory smart. If scheduling, material handling, and troubleshooting still rely on people, the lines remain disconnected islands. Think of 6 elevators without central dispatch. At peak hours, they still back up. Automation runs individual machines. A smart factory coordinates equipment, materials, and processes around each order. So what makes a factory truly smart? C. Adapt. Flow. See, order status, inventory, equipment load, and real-time yield are shown in one place, no chasing updates. Adapt. The central scheduling platform turns each order into production, material handling, and process tasks, then updates the schedule as factory conditions change. Flow. Once instructions go out, the rolling lines, robots, and AGVs work in sync. Data from each step flows back automatically, closing the loop. Visibility without control is just a dashboard. Control without smooth execution still leaves work held up on the factory floor. But what if you only need one production line? Can it still deliver the same capabilities? Find out in episode 2.